Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's my first video today. 1 second for the enemy reaches the battle. Okay, now do not spin fidget spinner at 3 a.m. Okay guys, that's how we learn today. Let's get started. Go! I hope that guys will enjoy. That's it. I think this is happened this tree. Oh the peace. If you wear this game, you will go there at the machine and you will be a spirit. You cannot see myself, but painting myself, words and all. Cannot see your mom, but he will give you a chance if he want. If he don't want, he will not give you a chance because he is scared. Evil spirit, the time is 3 a.m. guys. Nothing creepy happened, but we'll stop now. I think nothing creepy happened. This is only fake. I don't know what will happen. You're getting me tired. It's almost 3:41. Oh no, did you hear that? Wait, I didn't spin it. Sorry. I can't watch. What? Oh, brilliant. Yes, go to the machine. Okay, I will go to the machine. But make sure one press, okay? Yes. But you cannot hear what he says because he's I will now go to the machine. I will do my best for you. Please, do not say. Please, just once. Oh my gosh! Oh my! It will count now. Good. Subscribe and do not play this.